Magic fingers, magic fingers, magic fingers wiggle away. Oh, wow! Hooray! We get to go on an exciting transport adventure with trains and cars and boats and tractors and even a plane. Are you ready to play yoga and explore with me? Hooray! Well, let's begin with a nice big deep breath. Wonderful! Let's get started. First, we're going to zoom, zoom, zoom in a car. Let's do our car pose. Sitting with our legs out long in front of us, we twist to click in our seatbelt. We hold the steering wheel, start the engine, and off we go. The cars on the road go zoom, 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 zoom. The cars on the road go zoom, zoom, zoom all day long. Wow, you're really good at driving a car. Very good, everyone. But who's ready to catch a train? Me! Yes! Up we come to stand. We step 1 foot forward and 1 foot back and bend into our front knee. Now we bend our elbows so our fingers are pointing to the side, ready to roll and go up and down, going choo-choo. Are we ready? The trains on the track go choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo. Let's turn and face the other way and do it again. The trains on the track go choo-choo-choo all day long. Oh, we love riding on trains, don't we? Yes, but who's ready to hop in a boat? Me! Come on then, everyone. Sitting on our bottoms, knees bent, feet flat, hands behind us. We lift up 1 foot, lift up 2, lift up 1 hand and lift up no hands. And we're in our boat pose. Now let's sing. The boat on the sea goes swish, 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 swish. The boats on the sea go swish, swish, swish all day long. Oh, what brilliant boats we all are. Very good, everyone. But now I think we're going to help the farmer and drive the tractor to plough the field. We bend our knees, take our feet a little bit wider and our arms at our sides like great big tractor wheels. Are we ready? Then let's go. The tractor on the field goes brum, 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 brum. The tractor on the field goes brum, brum, brum all day long. Oh, very good, everyone. And we're very good at driving tractors too. Awesome. Now, who's ready to soar and fly high in the sky in a plane? Me! Yes, you too. Up we come, up onto our knees, taking our arms out wide. Are we ready? Well, here we go. The planes in the sky go whoosh, 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 whoosh. The planes in the sky go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh all day long. Now it's time to come into land. Sitting back on our heels, arms by our side, we fold all the way forwards, going shoo. We have reached our destination, and now it's time for a little rest at the station. In this lovely cosy spot, we take a lovely big deep breath.
and we close our eyes, thinking of all the awesome transport that we've been on today and all the fun places we've been. Zoom, 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 we ride all day. Trains, cars and boats take us on our way. Planes in the sky, tractors plough the ground. Transportation fun is all around. We come up slowly to sit with our legs crossed. And we bring our hands together at our hearts. Wow! You were really good with all the zooming and the choo-chooing and the swishing and the whooshing and the brum-brumming in the tractors. Oh, wow, what fun we had. Remember, you can always travel however you like, wherever you like, with your yoga and your imagination. But now it's time to finish our yoga time with our secret yoga code word, which today is namastation. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namastation. Well done. I'll see you again soon for some more yoga time. Bye-bye.